Hello, my name is Franciscus. I come from Indonesia and I am an experienced educator passionate about help students succeed in their learning journey. I specialize in mathematics, problem solving skill, and academic support for students of different age and ability. My teaching style is friendly, supportive, personalized. I believe every student learn differently, so I adapt my lessons to meet each student's and learning's goal. Whatever you need help understanding mathematical concept, preparing for exam, improving your study skills, or building confidence in learning, I'm here to support you. Together, we will create a positive learning experience that help you achieve your academics goal. Look forward to meeting you in class. See you soon. Bye-bye.